Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael. Today I'll be showing you how to use Google Classroom. And please, if you want to know how to use Google Classroom, please watch this video from the beginning to the end so you know how to use Google Classroom. I know that Google Classroom is an online platform for teaching, and it's going to help you during this COVID-19 period. So now to use Google Classroom, the first thing we'll do is to open our browser. So now I've opened my Chrome browser, and you see these dots right here. I'll just click on that. That is that. And now I've clicked on that, I will go down and search for Google Classroom. Google Classroom. So now I can see right here that this is Google Classroom platform. So I'll click on that. And now I've clicked on that, it will take me to the classroom place. But you can see right here that some classes here, these classes are the ones that I am attending. Why this fourth grade mathematics, I made it for this tutorial. So now you can also create a class by doing this, create or join a class. You can join a class, and you can also create a class. So now if you want to join a class, the teacher of the class will send you the class code, and just type in the class code here, and then you click on join, so you can join the class like that. So now this fourth grade mathematics I made for this tutorial, that's your student. So now let's start with the front page. You can see that you communicate with your class, create or schedule announcements, response to students. So when I click on here, I can just type what I want. I can type hello everyone, and I can post that. But before I post that, I can also click on the number of students if I want to see it. Right here I can click on this, but now I have 0 students in the class. So now you can see I take some students. Let's say I have some number of students. I can click on the number of students that I will wish to see it. I can send it to just one student privately. That's it. And you can also attach a file. I can attach from Google Drive. I can attach a link. I can attach a file. I can also attach a YouTube video for them. Let me click on the YouTube video. So now yeah, I can search a video and attach it for them. I can also search by URL. So now let me go to my YouTube channel right here. Let's say I want to attach by link. This was a video I made how to test your IQ. I'll get shareable link. And that. So now the link I copy it on my clipboard. I'll come here and paste the link there. So now this is the link, and it will automatically show the video. So now there is the video, and I can just add the video. So now I have added a YouTube video. Let's say you want to add the video that I downloaded. You can also come right here, file. I can also come to file, and I can also select files from my device, and then my library file explorer is going to pop up so that I can select files from my device. You can see right here popping up, but that's not compulsory. But you can also select image. If you can select image, and image you want to show them a video, that's that. But now I don't attach anything. Right, so I can also attach a link. Let's say I'm booking a Zoom meeting with them. I can also attach the link of the Zoom meeting right here. I'll just paste the link of the Zoom meeting, or any other thing you want to do with them. I want them to see. You can just attach the link there, and now I can post. But before I post, let me show you something. This post I can schedule it. I can also save it as a draft. So I can schedule the post, and to give me the date and the time I want to schedule it. So you can also schedule that, but I can just post that normally. Nice posting. Now this is the post with the video I attached from YouTube. And now this post I made, I can also delete the post. But when I delete the post, only the students can also see the post I deleted, because that's in YouTube. I can also edit it. So now I have edited it. You can see right here it has changed. So I can also edit that. And now, yeah, we're still on the stream page. This page is called the stream page. You can come right here. This is the class code. You can display the class code. I can also change the class code in the setting. I'll also show you that, also change the class code. So this is the class code. Let's say a student wants to join the class. I can just send the class code to the student. So I can make that full screen and I'll display the class code. So now I can just cancel that. So now this is it. I can come here and see what the class is about. I can remove that. And this is class first grade mathematics. So now let's go to here. I can select a team. These are teams I can select. This one's provided by Google. Let's say you can select English and history. They have a lot of teams provided here, math and science. These are the teams, arts and crafts, sports, and so have others. So now I said this class is named first grade mathematics, so let me go to the math. So this is the team I'm using recently, but let me change that to something like this and select class name. So the team is going to change, and I think that the team has changed. So now I'm in the classwork page. You can see here, assign work to your class here. Create assignment and question. Use topic to organize classwork into models or units. Other work the way you want students to see it. So let's start. So yeah, I can just create a topic. Write here topic. This topic can be, let's say, algebra. Add that. And now I've created a topic. I can rename the topic, I can delete the topic, I can also copy the link. So then, and I've created a topic called algebra. I can start adding works under it. And then I can see right here some features, assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, and reuse post, something like things like that, and topic. I can also create a second topic. So now let's start from the assignment. So now this is the assignment page. You can see right here. You can add from Google Drive, you can add the link, you can add the file, you can also a YouTube video to the assignment. Now let me start with this assignment. Algebra. So now I start with algebra. I can give an instruction, but that's optional. I cannot say please, I cannot say do this work. And now right here the points of the work, give me, let's say it's 10 points. I make that 10. Due date, I can say a due date. I show you a due date. Let's say I'm adding it on the 18th of June. And go outside the time, but no, I'm not going to add any of that. And now, yeah, so now I'm the assignments page, and now I'm creating an assignment. So now I can also add a file because I've just created the assignment. I give it a title, and there's nothing for students to do. So let's say I create a file on Word that the students can do. I can also add a file. I can also add a file from my device. Add a file, but now I'm not going to do that because I don't have any file to add. I see right here topic. I can write a topic and then I can assign this assignment under a topic, but I'm not do that for now because it's so that you guys can see the way it's going to be. So now I can do right here. I can schedule this assignment. I can save it as draft, and I can also discard this draft. So now let me just assign that. And I've assigned it, it will show on the classwork page and it will also show on the stream page. So let me go to the stream page. You can see right here. So now the students can easily see the assignments even if they don't go to the classwork page. Now let's go back to the classwork page and I can click on this. You can see 0 ended in 0 assigned because I don't have any student. Let's change 0 assigned. Let's see it's a student turning the assignment straight right here 0 ended in, and now from that I can also grade them. Since I made it to be 10 points, I can grade them. So now this assignment is not under any topic, so now I can just put that under a topic. and the video link is in the description below. And now the quiz assignment, the same goes. I can add the title, add an instruction, and also add other things. And that is that, and can discard draft. Let's go back there. And now the material fusion. This is a material. The material fusion. I don't add a title. Can't anything. Can create doc, slide, sheet, drawing, and Google Forms. I can also add a link, file, or YouTube video. I can also assign this to all students or just a number of students, and I can put that under a topic. I can also create a topic from here. But no, I'm not going to discard this. Discard the draft. So now you can see right here, this is Google Calendar. You can also schedule things for the class under your Google Calendar, and then this is the class drive. All the files that will be shared in the class, maybe you or from the students, it should be in the class drive, folder. So now here's the people. This right here is a simple page. This is the teachers. I consider the teacher, and I will just type the teacher's email and select invite as a teacher, and then I consider the students. I can just type student email and then select invite. I can consider the students by sending them the class code. And right here is marks. You can see your class does not have any students. Add students to this page. So now, the top student in the class is going to be at the top. The top students in the class that is sent performing very well in the class. The student is going to be at the top page. So now I'm back to the stream page. The stream page, you can see right here the settings. I'll show you guys the way entering the class code. So the setting, I'm changing the class code. I'll just come to the settings page. I can come here. This is the class code. I can change it to 5th grade mathematics. 5th grade. I change it to 5th grade. I can do this room. That's not necessary. I can just put it 5th grade. And see it's here mass. So now this is it. So now this is setting. This is the class code. I can display the class code. You can display this. I can copy it. As I copy it's not copied to my clipboard. So now, and the class code again, I can disable it. I can also reset that. Let's click on reset. The class is going to reset. Now the class will start with 7. I can still reset that and start with S. So now here's the stream page, and I can say, and I can see right there, students can post and comment. I can turn that off. Students can only comment. I can say only teachers can post or comment. So I better put the first one. Students can post and comment, so that they can tell me what they're feeling about the class, or tell me if I find any challenge about the class. So now class work on stream. See right here, I can hide the notifications. I can show attachment and details. I can also show condensed notification. So that's that. And show deleted item. If I turn this on and I save this, it shows deleted item. But you know that only just can see deleted item. You cannot see the deleted items. So now I selected show deleted item. It's also an item that I came and deleted on the page, and now it's showing me them, but only me can see them, but my students cannot see them. So I'll just turn that off. This here should that now, I'll turn that off. So now this is grading. It's a choice one I'll put there. These are the grading. So now I can save this, and I've showed you all about the settings page. So now I can see that's really simple. And I hope you have not the way to Google Classroom. And please, if you have, please comment down below and also give the video a thumbs up. And that is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is all I have for you today. And If you have any other topic you want me to cover, please leave it down in the comment below. I will read them all and add it to my list of videos to create. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe so you're notified anytime I upload any content just like this. Bye, and I hope to see you next time.